After finishing the hair material, you can see I explained them all of these settings. I explained them before, and if you want to, you can see there are different material. Our hair material is different from a standard material. But if you convert your hair, for example, going to the generate and make it some flat, and going to the hair setting and going to the generator and make it to none, going to the hair and lower the number of your hair and then generate, going to, for example, changing to the circle. If you render it, you can see we have that. Going to the hair material, for better seeing the hair, I increase the number of thickness from root to the tip, and now you can see these hairs. Nice. And from the hair, I like going to the root and make it as a guide. I want to exactly in a guide, for example, an area, because I want to each guide create one hair and you can render. Then you can make it, you have to make it editable. And it's better to delete this tag. Oh, sorry, delete the tag because we don't need to, because it's rendering 2 times. Don't forget to delete this tag. And if you want to use some of these settings like coloring the hair, changing the specular the hair, you can see I explained them before. And illumination, you can simply go to the settings. If you want to use some of the setting of the hair in a standard material, you have to go to the standard material, make it region render. Going to the luminance, activate that, and don't forget to assign this material to the hair. And you can see it's brighten. And going to, don't forget to go into the luminance. And here is a polygon hair, and done. You can create the hair color something like this. Again, like a hair, you can control, double click, you can control the material of hair, align the hair. You don't need to, for example, move graph or any other settings, complex settings. It's creating like a hair from root to the tip. Again, control of that. You can, like a color, assign the texture. We have primary, secondary shader, specular on that. Or you can give all of this material from the hair, but we delete them before. You cannot delete it and inherit all of the settings to that if you want, or you can make it separately, because if you render, you saw that issues, you have to, before using that, you can delete that. And we have illumination like before, roughness and shadow and anything that I explained in illumination setting of hair. The color and the specular, you can define it in a standard material. You're using the Polygon Hair shader. So its name is because Polygon, because you have to convert your hair and make it editable in generation tab to the polygon to define it as a polygon, and it create a shader and color and texture for that. That's it. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.